My name is Alex Hennigy. I'm the founder of Reduce, Reuse, Grow Incorporated, doing business as Restoration Packaging. And we are a one-for-one sustainable packaging company. All of our products are compostable and recyclable, and with each product served, we plan to plant at a local restoration site. The CIE was the foundation of how our company started. We launched from a successful Kickstarter campaign, went through the accelerator and incubator program, which really taught us the necessities of building, a legitimate business, and we've been just growing our customer base here on the Central Coast. We've signed some major deals with some international companies, and now we're in over 800 stores throughout the nation. The San Luis Obispo community, I think, is perfect to launch a company, especially one like ours that's in the environmental space. You just have such a good, tight-knit community, right? Everyone wants to help out. Really, San Luis Obispo, having a variety of our target customers right here in our own backyard was crucial for getting us started.